Hi guys, okay, we are on a boat and we are going to swim in the water soon. It's very deep out here. We're gonna go in some slides. There's one big one and one little one for kids. I might go in the little one, then the big one. And there's also a life jacket, so you don't sink.
Κυρίες και κύριοι, στα δεξιά μας βλέπουμε την περιοχή του Γόνου. Είναι μπροστά μας βλέπουμε το μικρό εκκλησάκι των Αγίων Αναρχείων. Κάτω από το εκκλησάκι ήταν παλιά η εκκλησία, είναι το αγίασμα των Αγίων Αναρχείων για κάτω. Θα περάσουμε από κοντά να δούμε πιο κοντά για να
We're already coming close to the first gate. This is again Argiri Cave. From the ancient times, the local people used this cave as a chapel, and over 40 years ago, they built a church on top of it. This church is a very popular place for weddings and wedding photo shoots, and also extreme people are coming here for a cliff jumping. Thank you.
Mommy, I want to go over there.
No, I'm recording Mum. Go on, Mum. Go on. Go on. Is she alive? Oh dear.
Alright, you ready? Go on there. Go! Come on. Do it! Come on. Yeah. Come on, time's gonna run out. Oh, Lexah. Every time. Come on then, Rain. Let's come downstairs then. You wanna go back in?
No.
Are you sure? You wanna go back in?
No.
Mummy's going back in. You're gonna go back in. Nice and carefully. You sure you don't want to come back in? You do. Okay. Come on then. Last one. Hey, Cohen.
Hey.
I know.
Why is it jumping rain?
You're going to sit down again. Come on, then.
Want me to get it?
Hey, look at you! You're floating! Look, even Lexah floats.
Do you want to let go? Do you want to try it? Let's doing it.
I won't look where I'm going.
You don't need to look.
No!
I've got you, 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 I've got you.
I don't think she believes she can float. Hey, look! You're doing it!
I've got you.
Oh, no, she doesn't like it. She'll have to shock you.
Look at high up. I'm not even swimming yet. And nothing is happening. It's just a little bumpy.
Right, say hello to the camera.
Hello!
Say hello.
Hello!
Come on then. The only thing I'd like to do. Yeah, go.
I'm going down here. Okay, I think I got that.